Decided to take an easy day today. I figured after I hurt myself pretty good yesterday chainsawing a tree that was falling on the fence line, I better take it easy for a day or two. So I've been doing just piddly little things around the house, around the yard, you know, things like that. But figured I'd come out here and say hi to the guys, take y'all with me. What's up, big and handsome? What's up, buddy? Let me set my camera down here and my coffee. What's up, handsome? You're a handsome gal today. You look all nice and fluffy. Still clean from where I brushed you yesterday. Don't do it, Hamish. Don't do it. Kyloe's been giving lessons again, huh?
Good afternoon, y'all.
What's up, buddy? My big and fluffy buddy. You know, a couple of weeks ago when I made that post with just Hamish sitting there eating. You know, I'd cut that video down from 9 minutes long down to the 5 minutes that I posted. And some lady made the comment that I should have gone ahead and posted all 9 minutes of it. You know, and to be honest with you, I had tried posting ASMR videos before. But for some reason, YouTube and Facebook don't like them, I don't think. Maybe it's just my download or whatever. But I've always had a hard time with them. You know, and normally on our videos, you know, anytime somebody clicks on any of our videos, you know, regardless of the content, most of the people quit watching around the 3-minute mark, if not before. So, you know, I in the back of my mind, I'm thinking, well, what's the use and point in posting a 9-minute video, you know, if nobody's going to be watching it, you know, for the last 2/3. But, you know, I don't, in general, I don't mind posting them. So if you guys like, I'll go ahead and post some more. I'll go ahead and post the first one this Sunday. But, you know, basically these are what was considered ASMR videos, I guess. And ASMR is a acronym for a really wordy phrase. It's a $2 description of the tingling you get when, you know, you find something soothing or comfortable or whatever. And what it refers to is, it's usually sounds that help people relax, or, you know, they help them with anxiety, or, you know, just chilling out or whatever. You know, for my generation, it'd be the equivalent of one of those rainforest CDs. You know, you put the CD player on and listen to the sound of rain for 3.5 hours. You see your fly sweeper. But a lot of people don't like those videos. I honestly, I never really got into them. They're kind of cool for a few minutes, and then, you know, I get bored. But I know there's a whole lot of people out there that love them. So I'll go ahead, like I said, I'll go ahead and start posting a few. But they will be clearly marked as ASMR videos. That way, if you're not one of those people that want to sit there and listen to a cow eating for, you know, 20 minutes, you know, you don't have to watch it. But if you are, you know, at least if I label it as such, then you'll know where to find it. Oh, let's see. A lot of people have been asking about my back. I appreciate it greatly. You know, in a nutshell, what's going on is it's not that I have a displaced disc or a slip disc or anything like that. I got no discs. Part of it's due to my physiology. You know, the fact that my friends call me skinny. I say I'm well toned. But that's part of the reason. But a lot of it is because of degenerative arthritis in my discs, especially my lower ones. But I've been going to pain management for nigh on 10 years now. You know, and every month I go in, they give me a couple of shots, you know, try and help the pain some. I'm on medication for it. The MRI results, what they're telling me is that, you know, the left side is worse, but the right side's better, whatever that means. My main doctor, I guess my primary care physician, said, quote, "No surgery indicated." So I guess that's a good thing. She did make an appointment with me to see a neurologist. Because basically pain management is going to give me another shot next week that specifically targets this. But from my understanding, it's only for the pain. You know, it's not going to do anything about the fact that my gait has changed, you know, the way I walk. Or the fact that my left foot and left leg have been numb for 3 weeks. So I guess the neurologist, I don't know why I can't say that. So I guess the neurologist is going to look at my MRI and tell me really what the deal is, and if there's anything they can do about it. Unfortunately, that's not for another 3 weeks. So, I don't know, isn't it funny in life how everybody hates going to the doctor? Nobody likes going to the doctor. And we everybody puts it off as long as they can. But when push comes to shove and we need a doctor, my golly, we want to be right there right now, don't we? I mean, there's nobody else in line, damn the torpedoes. I guess I'm kind of describing myself because I really hate doctors. I missed appointments because I just didn't want to go. I usually try and call in, but sometimes I hadn't. And I don't like going to the doctors in general, usually because I've screwed up, and now I've got something that hurts. But especially now with the pain I'm having to deal with every day, it makes me appreciate them a little more. For sure. Oh, let's see what else is going on. Like I was saying before, I had to cut a tree off the fence line yesterday. The wind here has been blowing pretty good the past few days. And I don't know why it went over, but because it was still a healthy tree for the most part. Looked it anyway. But it just uprooted and, took down the fence. So I had to go out there and cut the thing off the fence so I can get to repairing it at some point. You get to the point where you're really sick of them. You don't want to do anything to them, but you have to. Oh. So it can make it a little challenging sometimes, working up the motivation to carry all that crap out there and, fix the fence. Especially when, for the most part, your critters are going to stay inside the fence line. Except for goats. If goats can get out, they're going to. Even if your fence is good, goats are still going to find a way out. And unfortunately, where the tree took the fence out is where the goats are. Joy, oh joy.